Alright, I'm back with another video. This is actually not a trick, but it's actually the car is equipped with a remote start. So basically you also hear the stock exhaust sound. So alright, let's hear it. So all you do is basically you hold first what you do is you press the lock button, and then you hold the remote start for like 3 seconds. And then yeah, the stock exhaust is pretty it's pretty quiet. It's not like too loud or anything, but and basically, you know, when you want to turn it off, you just press the remote start again, and it turns off, and just like that.